collapsed after receiving punishment from Menzo and Tinkler. Walid Neymar not fit for the physicals. Tama and some see you a paju. Some see you paju. Papa. I see or buy now. Masa no can you see me no demica or kim no na na afi medics in demica so mo rational. Now I'm go here. Eko here say you better resort it no ama wetimi asole jan na so. Training more deal. Say he will kill people, and people started collapsing under the killing of Tinkler. And he me ba me the details no we me details pa impetus room. Me ba me di nyina. He di nyina. And so Elvis Cheba for paid the price for arriving late. Donzo and Emmanuel Entry could also face Kotoko strict preseason discipline. Inusa has also returned. In the time, returnees now started back and Tinkler Menzo and so I started striking road. No, that when Obidio Yapamono say Masa, you cannot return late without any reason. And I say be a tangible excuse be a and also so the Ekosu Honono. 15 medics at hand checking the fat level of Kotoko players. Tamano pay Paju Mom the machine says ho and about 15 medical officials or Honomoa or more check players no bia and the fat level in the BBR and the idea or more yom hojuma papa no pay or Honoman sana at that part of the training so and so I start here and also Honomum and also kakra from Paju Anope. Ibrahim Tanko dropped to the assistant coach for Mambisa to take over. Tama, unipanya jumon. He said on a head coach Mediama. Information I picking say Tanko no unqualified to coach in Africa. Nti efa Mambisa na tamanya sa na nickname nya sa Mambisa. Oh, coach Nana ya Wamankwa.
Ona aven Mambisa.
If Mam last. Mam last. Hey, because Mambisa. Mam last. Mam last. Say Mam last dey minimum say woni pa no.
Say on the na na ti aso.
Ti say dey onya adwuma. He said they were near Juma pa.
Says on head coach on medium.
Medium for fun. Be on wiki number on Villino.
And on my tango.
They were caught you're dropping it down, one step down.
How is that possible?
I said I
won't pay me a bit, you don't do.
They're doing the arrangement in no master put down kakra. Namambisa.
I filing now the tango ni a normally go to me.
I want to be coach Africa. Nay, certificate in Africa on Team Fanco.
Says on ban certificate and go Africa
and call
now certificate no the coach and so is a license coach
and to me almost say
only careful line
UEFA lances a B na a miti calf lances A no almost said and to me miti calf lances A no
Mediama for the guy
and information from Mediama. In fact Mediama will make an announcement this week. They will announce a do say offense mam last and Mambisa. Mam last. Nti latest information.
Me so say also why confused on.
I don't know why you confused.
I mean that's it. First I meant to say the Educochi calf different from the Educochi Ghana League. I'm hearing for the first time. And in any case, I don't know my last or no go find it there. Tanko ni bi.
Mam last wo you.
Okay, and we in Ghana Hana baby. South Africa.
Meaning baby but UEFA lances for what I'm told no. For what I'm checking and paying no. And until I'm omdini be beef up you know. Mediama technical department.
Na and if Ghana league no.
There be say once Mediama will be playing in Africa.
Na Africa some go about 6 or 7 man. Ghana you about 30 something and so yeah.
The time say so me never adwuma no. O me never adwuma no.
We are sure what's my okay.
Oh yes, me are sure. Me are sure say Mam Last my Patomanian right. Me are sure say Mam Last is joining or has joined me dear man.
And send any news no.
And
I don't think that is the news. And you know the news no. Or no joining there is not the news.
Now I am confused. Some who say we are why are confused.
My a bit confusion. On the coach, why I'm a bit confused. That's my dear and confirmation because
the time of coaching Cameroon assistant go you know new way or the coaching.
A which is supposed to be higher than
so say yeah or the theater so. You busa or see busa so you very sure. And yes we checks. Yes checks.
Like there's a thing with higher number. It's supposed to be higher than what they do in Ghana here.
Maybe they have been they do in Ghana here Zakito. The other night they call box me into Ghana.
One out box song. Because say what yeah man kwa onu tanko ni.
Son of information no sana catch them say.
And it's quite
ya fa na ba say o di se kwa Africa there.
It's quite surprising.
Onu na ni di be contract aso.
Africa no. He has coached meteors at the World International stage. Not the head coach of meteors.
Okay, say in the headline. I see you started. You started in Como.
I don't think you won't have a land higher than Tango. I would have to
Do a danger man, they don't say. Yeah, now.
Ghana Armed Forces storm Pobimai this morning, taking her support players through physicals. The Tama and pay couple my dear. Now so Armed Forces for no Akoha omuna players near physicals. Jemu dika den. No so no. Olele finally signs 2 years.
We can give them program.
Couple no.
Yes.
On the Armed Forces phone program.
Oh, it's possible.
No, me couple no Armed Forces we need.
What's anyone about anti-alcohol? You can send them a regime. Normal people who will fit into that, and they say it's possible. It's possible.
In the tower, finally, House of Folk announced Lily. Visa, I born. The new goalkeepers coach for House of Folk. House of Folk finally has welcomed Richard Olile Kingston.
No, they say that's well.
Kingston.
I just remember mucho. Richard Kingston is anything.
It has a tiana. We will have for another agent. You.
They coming to minimum gas a car. We got time on
that's also didn't give them one the best person you're trying to know.
So your graphics, I don't actually intro. I mean, him say, or that go in, and yes, say that the dinner tea.
Yes, very Kingston.
I just why didn't say that, or by me, I say, I don't
when you see the very Kingston, I have if you are able to do a change of name.
It's possible.
I ask David Tatoso.
Oh, that way I would be acquainted.
Because half the folk now Casa de too. There's no way I don't publish.
My cover no, baby, so many Kingston.
Maybe I signed it.
There are other times I'm actually in a Kingston. Say.
Maybe on the deal with my woman, say, near Frame. Me dinner Casancasa be a sinner. Now, one more training can now.
Check your wall. For instance, I go to Wikipedia and other places. I say na or no truly dino. In terms of man truck Kingston, no moment. On the other stories now, Richard Kingston returns to Heart of Oak.
Niniano. Sending no.
Asani ni ano.
Omo ye nua.
Oh za.
Omo ye busu. I think they are related.
Oh, ba for ne go say check there. You say enu edu abusu anyway. Thank you.
Oh, omo ye I think they are related in a way. Omo ye busu. If that's omo ye nua for omo ye busu ni bisa. And when I'm the boss, danger looming. Solomon Agbesi spotted in South Africa. Tama has a struggling to convince Asari to stay.
But you didn't sound on even my head no lineups at Birmingham and other places. Net team.
Inti na say has for nature.
Amateur has.
And the same is metra.
Right. That's all one to do.
E be come dey share me kon.
Kense.
Ono ade na je say. And no nti Tama information me picking on the page say Agbesi eko South Africa one cra has for. Ama I had drink kakra has for no omo ye kakra.
Okay, thank you very much.
Little clarification. I am coming.
The
new CAF competition requirement for coaches.
I am unqualified.
Yeah, when it comes to license, the middlemen cars will qualify. We are now for this and far to so never man for CAF Super Cup, Men's African Cup of Nations, and Men's African Cup, African Nations Championship, which is CHAN, qualifiers and first phase. Okay, head coach. Unya either CAF A or CAF Pro.
Okay.
As head coach.
Okay.
CAF A or CAF Pro. Okay, so CAF Pro no is the highest elite coaching diploma. CAF Dema. Okay. Oko the Men's Champions League. To CAF is specific. You need the pro. It's like UEFA Pro license. Pro highest. Pro. So tell me, I say. And Obia will do the pro no.
Pro ni anyway. CAF na ye. No me dem wire be sin no. Tanko enye bi.
Me nim tanko certificate.
Okay. How do ma clarification?
Me chechim say this tie bia obi ye feda yi na so person okọ nanim no ko certificate ku akafa. Me dey can Harry story no e bi obi ti ba bia na mzutu o raise here then you will know the standard that CAF here. It bema board na da so no at the screen so no. It was a Men's Champions League, Men's Confederation Cup. Na no dey ye pro.
And you wait my go to Matthew. But now only pro.
Now only pro.
Okay.
So tell me just wait your CAF A.
Okay.
But wait your coach Matthias, wait your coach national team. So into her
that's a CAF professional license.
Yes, into her by competition now. Also Super Cup, Men's African Cup of Nations, which is the AFCON, qualify and final phase. Men's African Cup of Nations Championship, which is CHAN, qualified and final phase. Nina na CAF say to CAF A, CAF Pro or other confederations.
Okay.
It's here be able to UEFA license A.
Oh, UEFA A Pro.
That's a UEFA A Pro and a UEFA Pro. Now qualified to be there.
Okay.
Then over the Champions League and the Confederation Cup, and then the CAF C Pro. So tell me, I say, and on my emphatic say you need a pro license to be there. It is a where a club now qualify for the Champions League. Number two, who need the pro. Who free other continents are mostly coaches are no mobile. No, say no more the UEFA pro license. It automatically qualify to the CAF Pro. But only UEFA pro license ne dia onnu. Who said the last time I made them possible. The last time I made them call was the Champions League.
Yeah, Champions League. They want call Champions.
What's na nebusha wo? What's na nebusha wo? But because of the license nitino, of pick your sheet na from the ne the head coach of Mediema was Adote. But even Adote was the technical director then. But Tommy Adote ne
koya. The boys are only be an ave no akoyaba.
Menim so akoye bi obadia. But me can say
okoye ready na chi.
So that time na no coaching Mediema no. It's a little then yeah twaso dia na say you go find the kind of certificate
Ibrahim Tanko.
Sorry, Ibrahim Tanko hold.
Now before I go on, men's U17, U20, U23, African Cup. You need CAF A or CAF
Other confederations
other
pro.
confederations pro.
So
Meanwhile, Tonko was the head coach for the U23.
Mama nchirimu ha. Me ba be chirimu ha. CAF A no. CAF A no equivalent to UEFA A. CAF A no equivalent to UEFA A. Etu hold UEFA A under competition CAF A here CAF A no. So to qualify to be there.
Yeah.
But say only the pro, only UEFA pro license no. Which
is also equivalent to CAF pro license.
Then you cannot coach in the Champions League or the Confederation Cup as head coach.
I said they will say CAF A/CAF Pro.
There be.
And we uncle from uncle way. When you
see men's African champions.
men's Champions League near pro position.
Who's the slash or CAF Pro?
I know you for you.
Baobas was say
Men's Champions League.
W Super Cup. Mama yenta say yi. Sa enyima on list here ya block ya ni deep ni Super Cup. Men's African Nations Cup. Qualifying phase. Men's Chan. Men's Champions League. Men's Confederations Cup. These are the licenses that you need. CAF A or CAF Pro.
Or others.
Or other confederations.
Other confederations.
It is a war. If I air, it's equivalent to CAF A.
And I'm a person make say when you say
CAF A or CAF.
Zakito. They say the topic under discussion is say no. Champions League amedia mekobo. Me banya botre. And I say men's Champions League. And no the omo specific almost pro.
Oman ka pun ko mo say CAF A
there be ade na ya hwe Zakito wo be hwe men's Champions League on say e she ni mu ho
and so wo ti
and on pro no na she ho no pro no na ya she ho no
e be nya no e confederations pro
there e be na confederations are pro
e other confederations pro
there be Zach there be almost say CAF A, CAF Pro, or other confederations. Meaning, some other confederations are based on the certificate now we hold no. Based on certificate now we hold no. Say equivalent to the CAF A or CAF Pro now. We are qualified to coach. By Champions League, no say CAF Pro lines. So my the pro
and a show pro some that saying.
The other is in line with men's African Nations Cup. Adam, what does it mean there?
Other confederations.
What do you mean?
It's other confederations. Zakito. Maybe I am funny say UEFA. And I would say we let idea do you clear.
I don't know how much deeper.
Many clarification.
I didn't say.
Over me lunch na.
Oh, and you like. Me check for me, dear man. Say, there is a basic issue with Tanko. And then the UEFA convention as a so it's rather Tanko who invited Yamankwa to come and assist him. Na sa adote arrangement ni bino.
Akoso.
They now can akoso. Assembly
I was trying to get Tanko.
Indication it means that Tanko probably have UEFA A.
Oh, A.
Good. But also we now say other confederation
pro.
So the Tanko need
what do UEFA Champions League?
So the UEFA A is equivalent to the CAF A.
Yeah.
But they don't accept other confederations.
Exactly.
They only accept other confederations.
Hopefully, baby, everybody should get a pro from there.
UEFA pro license.
Automatic. Okay.
So what is it? Into an assistant. But on paper, they said they but what that's it.
Yeah, man, class on some pen on to be my assistant. I have bit my management.
Oh, there you.
That's about for my lead. At least a honor.
That's on paper. No, Tanko has been demoted.
He's still the head coach. No, he's still the head coach. No, Unti. Wherever he's the head coach. I don't bet Philippe Passono. Near the Amanquedian coach.
No, I'm a head coach.
But bench no who on one energy.
The license for Yejuma.
The man here fan said tank when a free in Yaman qua free. And then a tear so as
boys
omran or
to my as consequence.
One on one when you kiss.